everything. I see you've all met the gatherers. Very good. You may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Thank you. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here, to the workshop, so where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter. Those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well, now we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, yes. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes, the darkest enemies. It's elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. Enough talk. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Savage Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes to me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now, open your eyes. Take your crystal. And remember, the crystal may be choosing you. Very good. You've all selected your crystal. Now, if you would, please place it on the green crystal holder in front of you. We will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you've chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. In these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now, components down, and in the boxes you'll find the chassis, activation plates, grips, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you, should you require assistance. Well, are we ready? Yeah. Very good. Let's build.
sure that these guys are always facing upward. That's going to be the top of yourself. Right here. Our next step is going to be to take our kyber and insert it into that laser inside the center. The top of the chamber has a little bit of strength, so take one of your caps and put it into your top chamber. You're going to take it through right now. You're going to have to push that in and go to those points, lock in the place. Push it up. Now this one is insert properly. Should light up your shoes. And vertically, you're going to go right and ready. This is the most vertical fail place, and it just is reflecting out our chamber. Let me take a look at that. Move it around, kind of wiggle it around until you feel it. We have 4 plates on the bottom. Push it up. Alright, are you okay, check my friend? Next, we're going to go to section number 5. Your activation plate. You'll be selecting one of the players, maybe understanding how to set. On the inside of the plate, there's going to be a small blue or a small red square in the corner. Those red and blue squares will line up with the red and blue squares that are on your chassis. You put the red square on top of the red square, and the blue square on top of the blue square around that kyber crystal. You have 4 choices. You're selecting any 2 of those 4. Easy to grip, just have your wider or your cigarette. That cigarette is always going to go closer to the activation plate. Give a little bit of pressure on your wrist to feel it becoming easier to see. One more step by step, once you see that rod, bring that plate. Good. So you're going to select any one of those 2 outside. Put a little bit of pressure. And then lock it in. Perfect. Next will be your emitter, section 3, and then we're going to switch into the on the top. And then your final selection will be a small top from the beautiful. Your last selection is that small top for the bottom.
Way up, like gravity do some of the work. I assume you have gravity on your planet, yes? Same here, really.
Are you happy with your bill today? Thank you for your final check for you. Thank you. Perfect. Everything goes nice and secure. So when they said all you have to do is slide up on that ladder for the next plate and sliding it down and down. There you are, my friend. Well done. Are you happy with your bill today, my friend? You want me to do the final check for you? Perfect. So we're going to place this active in the
Pieces of the Sith homeworld. Interesting choice. What color first? The color of balance, the combination of red and blue together. That should serve you quite well. Use it wisely, yes? For you, pieces from nature. Primarily the wood of the brylarch tree, finished off with a rainbow tree. I thought I heard a high-pitched noise. They make much more noise though when the truth is still in the mouth, I'm sure. Use it well. Very nice. We share some similar components. All but one, I think. Very nice. These are some Jedi temples in your hand there. A nice clean design, practical and elegant, I would say. Well done. As the builders, once you've completed your hilt, place it in the holder in front of you and await your gatherer's inspection. If you've already completed, by all means, take the saber in your hand, start to feel how you connect to it, how you'll wield it. Excellent work. comprised of the wood of the brylarch tree. That's the strongest metal that wood. That's serve you well. What color crystal did you select? Perfect for nature. Well done. That's what we ended up. Very good. And the leather. And institutional whale bone. Very good. The leather is a good insulator. I use it in my apron. I love more insulation. And the whale bone is very light and durable. And for yourself, something a little less light and durable. Pieces from the Sith Home. An interesting choice. Color red crystal. Violet? Color of great balance. Maybe your path will be one in the center. Well done. Excellent. Now, if you have completed your hilt, go ahead and take it in your dominant hand. Whether that be your left or your right, that's your choice. Start to feel how it sits there in your grip. How those individual components affect how you hold it and how you wield it. Take a look at that balance. Is it heavier towards the emitter, towards the bottle cap, or are you, as we should be, balanced in the center? You commented on its weight, saying that it's quite heavy, yes? There's a reason for that. It's metal. It is scrap metal. Thank you. Yes. 10 metaphorical points for you. Now then, I'm curious about some of your choices. Over here, the pieces from the Jedi temples. We talked a little bit about that structure there, but why did you select those?
We never want to fight with these injustice.
I would wager someone with pieces from the Sith homeworld in their hand, but we all have our own path, don't we? And speaking of, you selected pieces from the Sith homeworld. You paired it with a violet crystal. But what was it that brought you to those pieces? The color red, you like. Yet you didn't choose the red crystal.
That will attach.
Was that a purposeful choice?
That will attach.
Why that?
To the dock flip as well.
Oh, it's just not. Because what?
Did you want to select the rainbow too?
Oh, you like them both. Excellent. So equal balance between the two. I can respect that. Very good, very good. And those pieces from nature. What was it about those components that made you select them?
Alright, maybe the final check.
You love nature? Excellent. As we all should, nature is far more balanced than we can ever try to be. Maybe use that as guidance in moving forward to that state. Well done. Now, if you would, place those sabers in the raised horizontal holder directly in front of you. Excellent. We've all completed our hilts. And nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I'll ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers, we'll now begin to stabilize your crystals for activation. This must be done with great care, skill, and timing as a single inverted emitter, or a cracked kyber crystal, and well, we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. Now, as we move forward into the next stage, what's happening?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward. Place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Then step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. And activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers. Hold them high. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart, and in a moment I will dismiss you one by one. Our time is at an end. Your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows? Perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers and activate! Excellent work, my friends. Youngling, you will lead us in these first steps. Follow on. Patience is the first part of wielding a lightsaber. Continue on. Use it well. Continue on if you would. Use it well. Off you go. Follow on, my friends. May the spires keep you. And continue on. And remember, in the outpost, when questioned, refer to that only as scratch work. May the spires keep you.
No, protect your wife.